Good morning students. Today we discuss about the earth movements. Okay, the earth movements. The earth basically has two movements. They are and rotation, revolution. The first one, rotation. Okay, rotation and revolution. Okay, the earth movements, rotation and revolution. And earth moves on its and own axis from the west to east at a speed of per hour 1610 kilometers per hour. Okay, earth movements. Okay, this is the earth, north, south, east, west. This is the equator, 0 degree latitude. Axis. Okay, axis. The earth movements and west to east for 1 hour 1610 kilometers. Okay, and day and night are caused and due to the east is rotation, day and night causes. Okay, yet west to east the rotation causes day and night. ఓకే, రాత్రి పగలు అనేవి ఏర్పడతాయి అన్నమాట ఈ రొటేషన్ వల్ల. And only half of the portion of receive the sun's rays and therefore it appears the bright. Okay, this is the earth and half of the part daytime and half of the part night time. Okay, half of the part daytime and half of the part night time. The earth and the other half of removes is the darkness. Okay, half of the brightness and half of the darkness. And the earth eat by sun's rays and has day and removing the portion as night in the process of the earth rotation. In the process of the earth rotation. Okay, and revolution. In the process of the earth revolution, it takes a and 23 hours for one revolution, 1 year. Okay, it takes approximately rotation 23 hours and 4.56 minutes and 4.09 seconds. One rotation completed and 23 hours 56 minutes 4.09 second, and it takes 1 day to complete the one rotation. 1 day to complete the and one rotation. And next one topic, revolution. The earth while and the moving on its own axis also moving around the sun. Okay, okay, the earth moves and also around the sun. తన చుట్టూ తాను తిరుగుతూ సూర్యుని చుట్టూ కూడా తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. దాని తిరగటాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే రివాల్యూషన్. ద ఫిక్స్డ్ అండ్ రెగ్యులర్ పాత్ అండ్ త్రూ విచ్ ద ఎర్త్ రివాల్యూషన్ అరౌండ్ ద సన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఆర్బిట్. సన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఆర్బిట్. ఓకే, and the length of the earth's orbit is 965 million kilometers. Revolution వచ్చేసి 965 million kilometers. Okay, revolution. And the length of the earth orbits, the length of the earth orbit, and earth takes 1 year to complete the one revolution. Earth takes the and 1 year to complete the one revolution. It takes 365 1 by 4 days. Approximately 365 1 by 4 days and 1 year completed. Rotation and takes the completed 1 day. Revolution takes completed and 1 year. Okay, and the year consists of 365 days. The remaining 1 by 4 day మనకి తెలుసు 1 year వచ్చేసి 365 డేస్ అనుకుంటాము, కానీ రిమైనింగ్ 1/4 డేస్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి అంటే 1/4 ఆఫ్ ది డే ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ అండ్ వన్స్ ఇన్ 4 ఇయర్స్కి ఒకసారి లీఫ్ ఇయర్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఈ ఇయర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనకి లీఫ్ ఇయర్లో కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 366 డేస్. ఓకే, 366 డేస్ వస్తుంది 1 ఇయర్కి. ఇది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే ఫిబ్రవరి మంత్. Okay, February. We have 29 days in the month of February. 29 days in the month of February. But in normal year we have 28 days. Can only leap year 29 days. And seasons changes due to the and changes in the position of the earth around the sun. దీని వల్ల ఏమి ఏర్పడుతున్నాయి అంటే సీజన్స్. మనకి 3 సీజన్స్ ఉంటాయి, సమ్మర్, వింటర్ అండ్ రైనీ సీజన్స్. ఈ 3 సీజన్స్ ఈ రివల్యూషన్ వల్ల ఏర్పడతాయి. వీటి వల్లనేమో డే అండ్ నైట్ అనేవి ఏర్పడతాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. Why is life not possible on all planets? The earth as all the three components such as lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Which makes life possible. The remaining planets does not consist of these components. So life is not possible on all planets. Okay, I will say that really. Why is life not possible and all planets? The earth has all the three components such as lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, which makes life possible. The remaining planets does not consist of these components, so life is not possible on all planets. Okay, children, you should write with C and without C. Okay.